Good morning, everyone. My name is Johanna Lois Arce. I grew up in a music lover family. Growing up, I was introduced into various instruments like piano, violin, and bandurria. At first, I was just forced by my parents to learn how to play them, but as time passes by, I learned to love and appreciate music just like them, especially playing instruments. Because playing instruments gives me comfort, peace, and a friend that I can always lean on. Being raised in a music-minded family was never an easy thing for me because a lot of people around me expected me to be as good as them. I guess because of what I had experienced, I developed to be a competitive person, not only in music but also in academics. But even though I grew up differently, I'm still grateful to my parents for raising me that way and guiding me the best way they can. Because without them, without their teachings, I would not have been the unique person talking in front of you today.